Image restoration is a hard problem because it is ill-posed. Multiple clean images can produce the same degraded observation, so successful restoration depends on strong image bias. Convolutional neural networks have dominated this area because of their local inductive bias. They are very good at modeling edges, textures, and fine spatial details. However, CNNs struggle to capture long-range dependencies efficiently. Transformers seem like a natural solution since self-attention allows global communication across the image. But standard vision transformers were designed mainly for classification, not dense prediction tasks like image restoration. Was spatial self-attention scales quadratically with image resolution, which makes it impractical for high-resolution images. This is where RESTformer comes in. The core idea of RESTformer is to avoid spatial attention entirely. Instead of performing attention over height and width, RESTformer performs self-attention over the channel dimension. First, a 3 by 3 convolution converts the input image into a rich stack of feature maps. This step injects spatial locality and convolutional inductive bias. Once spatial structure is encoded, self-attention is applied across channels, not across pixels. This dramatically reduces computational cost while still allowing powerful global interactions in the feature space. RESTformer is built in a UNet-style encoder-decoder architecture, as you can see here. As we go down the network, spatial resolution decreases, the number of channels increases. As we go up, resolution is restored, channels are reduced. Skip connections preserve fine details and stabilize training. Instead of predicting a clean image directly, RESTformer predicts a residual image. Adding this residual image to the degraded input produces the final restored output. RESTformer also redesigns the transformer block itself. To compute Q, K and V, a 1 by 1 pointwise convolution mixes channel information, followed by a 3 by 3 depthwise convolution to capture spatial context. This way, convolution handles locality and attention handles global feature interactions. The feed-forward network is also convolution and gated, using element-wise multiplication to control information flow and improve expressiveness.